Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate cost per unit in Excel. So you can see I have data. So to calculate cost per unit, select the cell is equal to select the total production cost divided by unit produced. Press the enter and here you can see the cost per unit calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below data. But in this cost per unit column, you can see here the one error. If you want to avoid this error, you can use here the another formula for calculate the cost per unit. So select the cell, use this equal to, type here if, and select the if function, then select the C2 unit produce is equal to 0, comma, 0, comma, total production cost divided by unit produced. Okay, then bracket close. Here, if C2 means unit produce is equal to 0, then answer will be get 0. Otherwise, B2 divided C2. Press the enter and here you see same cost per unit here get. Double click on this corner point to fill below cell and you can see in the error cell you will get 0. It means here the 0 unit produce, therefore answer will 0 as per our formula. Next here I'm going to show the cost category. So you can set the category high cost, low cost. To calculate the cost category, select the cell is equal to, type here if function and select E2, the cost per unit. Use the greater than sign is equal to, then I enter here the 1000, comma in double quote. Here I type the high cost, then double quote, comma, double quote, low cost, double quote, bracket closed. Here you can see the formula. If E2 means cost per unit is greater than or is equal to 1000, then cost category will for high cost. Okay. Otherwise the low cost. Understood? Then press the enter and here you see this amount is greater than 1000. So here the cost category will high cost. Okay. So I select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you can see this 500 is less than 1000. Therefore your cost category showing the low cost. Understood? Next here I'm going to show highlight the cost per unit. So I select the cost per unit column and go to the home tab. In conditional formatting, I click on the highlight cells row. I click on the first one greater than option and here the small dialog box is open greater than. I type here the 1000 and with this I select the color green fill with the dark text. Okay. So greater than 1000 amount will fill with the green color. I click on OK and here you see greater than 1000 fill in green color. Again I click on the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cell rule and click on the second option less than. Now here you can see the less than dialog box is open. Less than 1000. Again I enter here the 1000, the less than 1000 amount fill with the, so here I select the color light red field with the dark red text and click on OK. And here you can see the less than 1000 amount field with the red color. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.